Hi, sir. Good afternoon.
Uh,
So, first of all, I would like to welcome our participants. We have Mr. Neeraj with us today from
so,
ISCON Infra Realtors. My name is Kunal Sikri. I am here from housing.com.
thank-
Welcome to Mega Home Utsav 2020. We at Housing believe that finding a house is a very cumbersome process, due to which we believe that getting a right fit, getting a right house is very difficult. So, we are supporting everyone by helping you find the dream house.
दो बजे
So for that, we have Mr. Neeraj with us today, who will talk about a very beautiful property that they have. They have a 3 BHK independent house in Greater Noida West, which we'll talk about. So Mr. Neeraj has been working in this real estate industry for more than 12 years now, and he has vast experience, and they have created a lot of beautiful properties. And we will use a lot of technologies that we have present at housing.com, here and VR technologies, through which you will be able to experience the house sitting at the comfort of your houses itself. So you don't have to move out, you don't have to come in, you can relax, sit back, and we'll show you the house from the home. Over to you, Mr. Neeraj. Welcome, first of all.
Thank you. So, the meeting has started, right?
Right.
Okay. So, I have a project in Greater Noida. It is located in Ecotech Third, which is an individual house society.
Okay.
Individual houses plus builder floors and the commercial within the society only.
Okay. And so this is in Supertech Eco City.
It's an Ecotech Third, Greater Noida.
Ecotech Third. Okay, okay, sir.
Right.
Great, sir. So before we actually proceed further, I would like to first of all showcase the property that we have with us today.
Mm-hmm.
I believe, sir, this is a property that we have.
Okay.
So this is a 3 BHK independent house.
Right.
So you have a living room just besides the parking area.
Mm.
And ground floor will also have the kitchen. So what are the sizes of these areas of the kitchen and everything?
There are the two sizes of independent house. One is 1700 square feet, and the second one is 2200 square feet, which is actual the carpet area.
Okay.
We have not added any loading. We have not added anything. So this is the carpet area which client will going to use it. The exact 1700 square feet in 75 square yard property.
Exactly 1700 and 2200 are the areas they will get.
Yes.
Great. So, Lisa, we have one bedroom on the ground floor and 2 bedrooms on the first floor, right, sir?
Right.
It's a G+1 structure.
Right. We have drawing dining on the ground floor, kitchen, the parking area, one attached bedroom with common this toilet,
Washroom.
the washroom. And if you talk about this second floor, we have a lobby, and you can use this as a lobby, or you can use this as a study room or the drawing room, according to the client.
Use it, right? So even someone wants to do, they can create a puja room over here. Anything can be done.
Right. And we have one bedroom the one bedroom and one master bedroom on the same
First
floor.
floor.
Right.
Okay.
And this is the USP, which is that you can see on the screen right now. This is the open terrace on the first floor.
Hmm. This is a huge balcony in itself. It's
Right.
like actually it's an open terrace.
And it's open terrace, right? And the client can sit here and enjoy the. This is the, you can see the park is exactly in front of the every villa.
Okay. Even if someone wants to use it as a garden, even they can do vertical gardening and artificial grass.
Yes.
Everything can be done.
And this is the attached washroom, which is with the master bedroom.
This is the third bedroom, right, sir?
This is the third bedroom with attached washroom.
Basically, all the three bedrooms comes with an attached washroom.
Right.
And this is a complete terrace that we have.
Yes. And on this, we are giving one floor permission to the client so that he can, or the client can build one more floor on the
The
same.
extension is possible in future if they want to.
Only one floor is possible on this.
Basically, they can create 2 more bedrooms if they want.
2 more bedrooms, you can say, and yes, exactly. They can get 2 more bedrooms on the second floor.
Okay, so this is the front view of the building, I believe.
Right. I guess this is these are the old pics. Now we have we have done the almost complete our sample. So
Okay.
the kitchen work has done, the wardrobe work has done, the this thing grill staircase work has done.
Okay. We have a sample apartment ready with us as well.
Right.
Great. So what is the plot size? First of all, let's talk about the property itself. So what is the plot size in which you have built this?
The plot size of 1700 is 75 square yard.
Okay, sir.
And the other one, the 22 square feet, it is 95 square yard, 95.5 square yard.
Okay, great. So let's start with the first of all the area. So what is nearby? The markets, the schools, malls. What is nearby?
First of all, we talk about the park, which is just adjoining our the project. It is 5-acre Greater Noida Authority Park, Greenbelt, you can say.
Right, sir.
And we are going to take taking the lease from the authority, Greater Noida Authority. So we are going to develop this park, and we are going to use this.
Great. And if we talk about what are the amenities we are providing over there?
In the society, within the society, we have giving the commercial market, and you can say we are giving the parking facility. We are giving within the society. We have planned that we will build a good mandir within the society.
I believe, sir, the tour we saw right now was for 2200 or 1750.
It is 1700 square foot.
1700, sorry.
Right.
Great. And so what about the nearby schools or markets that we have?
If you talk about the school and the hospitals,
yes, sir,
from our project, it is only hardly a 5 to 10 minutes drive from the Kailash Hospital, you can say, and the nearest school is Millennium School, the APJ School, which is 10 minutes drive from our project.
So I would say a good number of schools are there. So we have good schools.
Right. All the good international schools, DPS, APJ, you can say Millennium, Evergreen School.
Great. And so what about the metros? I think there is a metro coming up nearby.
Yeah,
so how far will
the
that
metro
be?
The metro is proposed nearby the 5 minutes drive from our project. It is in the under construction. If you talk about the metro ready right now, it is 10 minutes drive from the current metro station.
Great, great, great. And so what is the total project size if we talk about? So what is the total size of projects, number of units that we have over there?
We are constructing 51 duplex villas,
Okay.
38 independent floors, which you can say flat independent floor,
Okay.
38 flats here, and 36 commercial shops will be there.
Okay. Great. And what is the project size? How many acres do we have?
We have 2 acres.
Okay, we have 2 acres. And so what about the independents? Let's start from the beginning. So if we have the independent, let's say builder floors as well. So what is the size of those builder floors? How many BHK? So what is that?
We have come up with 2 and 3 BHK only. We have not
Okay.
launched 1 BHK because if we are just actually targeting the good customer which has a good pocket of this thing, the investment or the this thing. So we have 2 BHK sizes, 950 square feet, starts
Okay.
with 950 to 1150 square feet, 2 BHK plus study also.
Okay. Great.
And if we talk about 3 BHK size, it is 1350 square feet and 1450 square feet with 3 plus study plus 3 BHK plus servant also is there.
Great, great, great. So what are the pricings that if let's talk about the pricing. So even 200 3 BHK is also 2200 or it's
3 BHK, which you talk, sorry?
1700 is a 3 BHK independent house, right, sir?
Right.
And if you talk about 2200, it's also a 3 BHK or it's a 4 BHK?
It's a 3 BHK with 4 toilets and the big big drawing room, big drawing
Okay.
and dining is separate. In 1700 we have drawing dining same, but
Yes,
in
yes, yes.
2200 the drawing is something it is different and dining is something.
Great. So we have segregation. So we have more open space, so you can move around. So it's a
Right.
spacious. I would say, is a large 3 BHK that we have.
That 3 BHK.
And again, we have the option of expanding the terrace.
Right. We are giving
Ideally, all these 3 BHK independent houses can technically become 5 BHKs
5
in future if
BHK,
someone
right.
wants to.
Right.
Great, great, great. And so, what is the project timeline that we are aiming by? When are we going to give positions for these areas?
The villas which you have just seen on the screen, we are giving we have actually decided the partially giving the position, partially giving the villas position. So we will start our position by maximum January end or February end. The client will be planning to shift there.
Great.
So we are almost done with the common services, as you can say. The sewer we have already done. The street light is already done. The all the boundary and the main gate has built up now, so they can easily shift and with a safe and security.
Perfect. So just one couple of more things I would like to ask you. So what about the parking? So we are providing one parking, I believe, with every unit.
Yeah,
Or what
we
is?
are giving one parking within the this house only.
Okay. And what about the builder floors that we have?
We're giving we are actually constructing on the first floor. The stealth will be complete the car parking.
Okay. Okay. It would be still +4.
Right.
Something like that.
Still plus.
Great, great, great. And Sam, what are the maintenance charges we are going to ask? There would be some maintenance charges associated with the properties, obviously.
We actually has not decided that thing as of now, but we are actually decided that it will be nearby 2 rupees to 2.5 rupees per square feet.
Great, great, great. And say if someone wants to opt for a loan, so can we get a loan for these properties?
Yes, yes, yes. We have 2-3 options for the home loan. We have one with LIC. We have one the Punjab National Bank. The nationalized bank is also giving loan on this thing on a project. And the ICICI Bank, the SDFC Bank.
So we
they are
have
the biggest.
PNB, we have LIC, and we have then SDFC and
We
ICICI,
have
which are
two,
again,
three private banks, and we have two, three nationalized banks.
that is more than enough. So you get a lot of options for the home
Yes.
loans. So what are the interest rates for the home loans that we'll get?
If you talk about the nationalized bank, the ROI is current is 6.90. They are giving LIC.
Okay. Great. So let's now talk about the major point which everyone wants to know. So what are the prices that we are having these units?
We have actually very competitive price and very this thing with you can compare with nearby the all the projects. So we have come up with 3090 per square foot. The cost of the villa is come up with 50. The 1700 it will be 52.49, and
Okay,
2200 square feet it is 68 lakhs.
great, great, great. So, any offers due to the pandemic? Can we understand? So everyone wants to buy a house right now. So any special offers that we have?
Before this pandemic, we were not giving the any woodwork within the villas. Now we have decided to give the complete woodwork in the independent house. We are giving the complete modular work, kitchen work, and the wardrobe work, the false ceiling work, all the necessary woodwork in the villa.
Wardrobes and everything, wardrobes, modular
The
kitchen,
complete
false
woodwork
ceiling.
will be there.
Great, great.
We are giving chimney, we are giving RO.
Okay. So nearly a fully functional kitchen we are providing.
Right.
Okay. So if someone has any questions related to any of these units, if they want to ask something, please feel free to ask. Meanwhile, I'll show my screen again and we can actually have a look at the property once again as well. This is the main entrance along with the parking within the house. If someone has any question, they can put it in the chat box. We can answer those questions. So what are the average room sizes that we have in these?
If we talk about the ground floor bedroom, it is 13 foot by 10 foot.
Okay.
And the first floor bedroom, the master bedroom sizes is 14 feet into 11 feet.
Okay. So that's a very good spacious sizes that we have.
Right.
The balcony itself is very huge. So
the balcony size is 10 into 10 feet into 10 feet.
So that is nearly equal to a room itself, a small room.
Most of clients are planning to cover that balcony so that they can make the guest room, they can make this thing.
They can use it as a study or something even.
Studying, right. Most of the clients, they are planning to make the bar open kind of bar.
It's a great layout that we have over here. So, sir, we have again, I have a question that what is the carpet area and the build-up area of the builder floor? Do you have some floors as well?
Yes, the carpet area, if you can, of 2 BHK will be around 700 square feet, and the super area is 950 square feet.
Okay. And what about the 3 BHK?
3 BHK size, super area is 1350 square feet, and the carpet will be around approximately 1050 square feet.
Great. So it's a very, I would say not even somewhere around 20% additional.
20% loading, right?
Right.
And this is why, just because of the parking, we are giving on the still.
Great. And so what are the prices of these independent houses that we have?
We have actually, we have come up with the same price. If anybody wants to buy the villa, they can get by on the price of 3090 per square feet, and the same with the builder floor.
Great. So if we talk about 995, so it would be somewhere around 31 lakhs. If we talk
31
about
lakhs,
right. Great, sir. So that is, I believe, wonderful. So if anyone else has any other question related to this, you can please ask.
We have very good bedroom sizes in the builder floor as well. We have around 12 length, 12 feet into 11 feet breadth.
So I again have a question, sir. So how far is it from the Gaur Chowk?
It is, if you talk about in the kilometer, it is 5.5 kilometers from the Gaur Chowk, the main Gaur Chowk.
Great. So that is barely a 5-7 minutes drive, not more
10
than
minutes maximum drive. And
so
it is bang on the main road. The public transports are there. All the public transports are there.
So what is the width of the road that we have within the houses?
Sorry, come again, please.
What is the width of the road between the houses?
We have two roads. The one main road, which is 28 feet.
Okay.
And the other one is 25 feet within the society.
That is again a very good size. Even if someone parks the, let's say, a car outside both the sides, again still you have a lot of movement space.
Right, and the this authority road is somewhere around 100 foot wide road.
Great. So, sir, we have a 2 BHK, we have a 3 BHK, then we have a 3 BHK independent houses in two sizes, 1700 and 2200, which can be expanded to 5 BHKs if someone wants to cover the terrace.
Yeah.
So very competitively priced, I would say. The price starts from 31 lakhs and goes up till somewhere around 65-66 lakhs. So that itself gives you a very much, I would say, huge range to choose from. And we are also providing modular kitchen, as you said. So we have the completely fully functional kitchen.
And we are giving the same complete woodwork in the builder floor as well.
Okay. So you have the false ceiling, you have the wardrobes, you have the kitchen and everything ready in the...
Right.
Great. So just one more question that we have. Is it applicable for the PM Awas Yojana subsidy?
Yeah, it is applicable for the PM Awas Yojana, but the clause we have only in this is the client should have only first loan home on his name.
Okay. Yeah, obviously, because if you already have a house, you won't be able to use it. Right. So everyone, if it's your first house, first of all, congratulations. You can choose this and you will get the subsidy ranging upon your salary brackets.
We have actually Nationalized Bank and they were really focusing on this PMAY Yojana.
Okay. So thank you, Mr. Neeraj. That was wonderful to interact with you. And I believe the people who have joined us, so you get your dream house soon. And it's a very wonderful property. If you want to have a look once again, before we leave, I'll showcase the property once again. So you have beautiful independent houses in the range of 1700 to 2200 square feet on a plot size of 75 and 95 square yards, respectively. All of them are with 3 BHKs. Then you have can expand the terrace to include 2 or 3, whatever configurations you require on the terrace as well. A spacious kitchen, which will be fully functional for you. You'll be getting the RO, the chimney, everything will be there. It's a modular kitchen. 3 spacious bedrooms, all of them will attach washrooms. So at this price point, you normally don't even get a very good, I would say, apartment. So you're getting an independent house. So that is very wonderful. Fall ceiling and everything is done, I believe.
Right.
And this is again a room which can be used as a study or open bar, whatever you want to create. So this is a 10 by 10 additional area that you get. So if someone wants to customize some things, few things, so is it possible if it's being still created, it's being still made?
Yeah, it is possible, but we have only one main thing. We cannot change the outside elevation. You can change the inside, anything. Any customer wants to put a kitchen on the first floor, we can do that. But we will be having the same elevation from the
Front elevation
outside.
will not change.
Front elevation will not change, right?
And so if someone wants to actually ask you to actually build the terrace, so the additional 2 BHKs which you are allowing, so how much will that charge? How much will that cost someone if you will do it for them?
If we will calculate the size and we'll go for this same price, 3090 square foot.
Great, great, great. And if someone wants to get it done themselves, they can also do it, right?
They can get it by themselves.
Great, great, great. Thank you, sir. Thank you. It's was wonderful having you and great to interact with you. I believe we have one more question. How many floors we can develop on villa? So if you like to answer that, please, sir.
The permission from authority, still now it is 3.5 floors you can build. We are giving 2 floors. The client can build one floor, 1.5 floor more on that.
Okay. But that will be possible in future if they want to?
Yes, it is possible.
Right now, you're allowing them only 1 floor extra.
1 floor.
But in future, if they want, they can build it further as well.
Further.
Great. So thank you everyone for joining us today. And it was wonderful to interact with all of you. And hope you find your dream houses soon. And stay safe, stay home. And we'll at Housing believe in actually getting you the dream house of so we are coming up with all these technologies so you can experience the properties without even actually going over there. I'll also showcase Mr. Neeraj's number now, so if you want to get in touch with him, you can directly contact him as well.
Mm-hmm.
So this is his number and email ID as well. You can directly call him up. I believe Mr. Neeraj will be more than happy to help you with this.
Sure.
Thank you, everyone. Have a nice day.
Thank you, Kunal. Have a great day.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, all the participants.